Teach her the other way.
She's doing it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Sarah. You got it. Almost. Come on. Woo! Good job. You made it. You made it up here. Wow.
Whoa.
Is this your birthday toy? From Grandma and Grandpa?
That's Grandma and Poppy.
Grandma and Poppy, you ready? Ready? Woo, woo. Did you read it? Woo! Dave, go back.
Have her climb up the other side.
David doesn't like that. Come on over here. There's little steps for you. Go back, David. Go ahead. Go back.
David, stop. David.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop it. Sit. Sit.
Come on, Sarah.
Come on. Come on.
Baby, go. Sarah, come here. David.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Come on.
Are you in the treehouse? That's a long ways down. Do one more side, honey.
Wanna go down the side?
No, don't teach her head first, babe.